Why is fall, specifically October, the best time of year to get the best Lancome gift with purchase and beauty box deals for a fraction of the cost? This is better than Christmas time. In this video, I'm going to walk you through all my insider secrets, and trust me, you're going to want to stick around till the end of the video because I've got a super secret for you. And number one, fall gift with purchase. And if you guys have been following me for any length of time, you know that I always walk you through all the gift with purchases. You should know how to get them, how to find your beauty advisors, and all that. And if you want to know my step-by-step system, it is in a mini course that I call How to Get Free Makeup and Skincare All Year, where I literally teach you how to get free makeup and skincare all year, not just from Lancome, but from any of the department store brands that you love and you enjoy. Now, the fall gift with purchase for Lancome this year in 2024 starts October 4th. They are pre-selling. And if you know what pre-selling is, it is you give your information to the beauty advisor. You pick all your products. It's locked in. They take your card information, but they don't bill you till the sale goes live. And when the sale goes live, that means you can pick up your products at your local Lancome store. And the gift with purchase that I'm talking about that starts to pre-sell October 4th is at the Dillard's Lancome locations. And if you guys have been watching my videos, you know that all the gifts with purchase and promos vary depending on brand and depending on store location. That's why I always tell you, do your homework. And that is why the first lesson of the mini course is do your homework, because it sets you up for success on how to get free makeup and skincare all year. But let's move on to number two tip, and that is beauty boxes. We all love the beauty boxes. Of course, it is the best value for the money all year long, and we know they always are out at Christmas time. But what you may not know is the promos and the beauty boxes are available for pre-sale starting in October. That means, yes, next month, ladies, we can pre-sale our beauty boxes. And by the end of the month, you can usually pick up your beauty boxes and have them in your hand. And those are the two reasons why October and fall is the best time of year to get luxury makeup and skincare deals. And now that you've waited till the end of the video, I've got my super tip for you. And that is, if you're in really good with your beauty advisor, she's going to do you a favor. And that favor is she's going to be able to take the purchases that you use on the gift with purchase and apply it to the beauty box. And you are going to be getting way more value for the money. And she's going to help you spend less money. So ask her how. And that is why lesson 2 in the mini course is why it's important to make a beauty advisor friend. But listen, ladies, I have just added 2 upsell bonuses to the mini course, and that is the store and brand locator guide that helps you find which stores have which brands, and you can find exactly the right store for the brands that you love and follow. And the second upsell I've added to the mini course is beauty advisor questions. And that's so you'll know exactly the right questions to ask your beauty advisor that's going to be able to help you lock in on the gifts with purchases, when they're available, how to go about everything that I teach you in the mini course. You guys, this is such a value for the money. October is such a good month for the deals and the bonuses at Lancome. You guys, if you don't follow Lancome, find you a beauty advisor at the brand that you love, and she's going to walk you through all this information. But the key takeaway is Lancome in the month of October is offering the best deals and the best values all year long. Don't wait till Christmas. Jump in on your gifts with purchase and your beauty box in the month of October, which, like I said, the pre-sale for the gift with purchase that starts October 4th, and the gift with purchase, you buy one gift and you get 5 to 7 free. The beauty box is a purchase with purchase, and you have to make a purchase and then purchase the beauty box. But that is why I teach all of you in the mini course. Go check it out at kimsbeautybiz.com. It's well worth the $27. And now I've got the 2 upsell bonuses that will even add more value to this offer. You guys, kimsbeautybiz.com. Go check it out. Until next time, much love.